Good evening, lovely YouTube viewers. Welcome back to the Motorcycle Fixer channel. I'm going to make a video this evening taking this pit bike engine apart to change the kickstart shaft. And I'm going to try and do it in one take. I'm going to try and just whiz through it quickly and try and get it all on camera so that you can see what you've got to take apart to change the kickstart shaft. So hopefully by the end of the video you'll see exactly what. I'm not gonna put the engine back together because I've already done the videos of building it up from that position. So if you want to see it being built back up from having the kickstart changed, then you need to go back to a couple of my previous videos where I rebuild this full engine from start to finish basically. So I think I've got most of the tools I need ready. I'm hoping not to have to look for tools in the middle of the video, because obviously that'll make it longer. So we're just going to try and whiz through it. Try and stick with me and we'll see if we can do it in one take. Are you ready? Let's go, baby. No, I'm not putting that in. Yeah, come on then, let's go. Okay, we're ready. I've got my tools lined up on the box, ready. I think that's all I need. I'm hoping there's no more. I've got a tray underneath to catch any excess oil. I have already drained the oil. So, I'm not gonna, it's not a race. Come on now, it's not a race. But I am gonna try and do it as quick as possible basically. I don't want the video to be very long, so anyway, let's go. I'm gonna take this cover off first. Oh. Come on. There we are, that's in the bowl. Okay, no problem. Chain tensioner off. There we are, with the gasket to keep our hole. Right, next I'm going to take off this clutch cover. So let's try and remember what bolts are. That's one. Two is another one. Three. Four. Don't want one, go later. 8. Is that all of them? Yes, right. I need 10 mil now because this pipe goes from the cover. So there we go. That's 1. 2. You need to lay things out better than this, but like I said, I'm trying to do it in one go. Let's see what's next. Take this cover off. There we are. So, need to take off the cam change sprocket. So, it's back to our 8 mil. I thought there was a 10 on there, I gotta be honest with you. But okay, no problem. Bolts going everywhere. Okay. Cam change sprocket, come on baby. Cam change sprocket. Take chain off, take that off. Right. Let's change this for a 12 mil. Breaking me now. There we go. Sorry, I've turned away from the camera. There we go. rescue some of our bolts. And there's 2 inside there. That I forgot about. That's okay. Save that bolt for later. I haven't foreseen this. Being able to get these apart with gloves. There we are. Bolts in the tunnel. Oh no, I need an extension. It's gonna come off. Heads off with the bolt. Don't forget, you've got to change the gasket every time you take the head off, or you should, otherwise it'll leak. And you don't want it to be leaking, do you? So there's our gasket, that goes in the scrap. Then we can take this cam chain out. We can take our barrel off. Piston, there we are. You can, as long as you don't break the base gasket, you can reuse that one, so that's okay. Right, where are we now? Take off our clutch. Four 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the springs, and then we've got our nut inside. The washer. The tabs are bent over into our castle nut, so I'm going to take them back like that. Let me get my small one of those, like that. Castle nut off, and the 2 washers, if they come on. Oh, come on. There we are. It's bent and it won't come off. Come on. Right. There we are. That's our clutch. Off. Then we've got our little washer in the middle. Keep that all, that's all off, job done. Alright. Blue roll. What's next? I need to take out that gear. Forgot about the circuit. But okay, we can do that, no problem. There's a circuit up an idle gear, and there's a washer on the back there as well. Make sure keep it all together. Make sure you know that there's nothing left on the backs of the bearings. So that's that. What's next? We need to take this nut and gears off the end of our crank. And that's that one, is it? Or is it this one? Definitely the first one. Right. castle nut gone. And then we're going to pull off the spacer and the gear and the other gear. So that's how they come off. There we are. So, what's stopping us now from pulling it apart? Just remembering everything now, isn't it? So, if I turn it round, like so. And now, take the bolts out. I've never tried this before actually, so you know, if it goes wrong, goes wrong. Don't be scared to try new things. I mean, especially on video, what could possibly go wrong, isn't it? Okay, so there we are. I think that's all the bolts. There isn't a bolt on the end, on this end of the gear change drum. I know that because I put it together and I didn't put one on there. Because there's no neutral switch on this one. So is that all of them? I don't know. Is there a reason why that won't come apart? Right, I've got to take that kickstart gear off for the casing to come up over there. So there we are. See, remember everything going on. These seat grips can be a pain. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, time's a ticking. I know I said I wasn't doing it like a race, but it's good to get done quick, wouldn't it? There we are. That's the kickstart gear. Now, what's holding us together? Nothing, I don't think. I don't think there's anything keeping us. Right. Could try and separate the cases now without damaging anything. Come on. Where I want to go? Ah, that's why. Because these are trapped behind the gear changes. So let's get an Allen key. $4 mil. Nope, 5. Always pick the wrong one first. Oh, baby. There we go, that's that one. And then the gear change lever. If I can just, come on. Tap that. Nope. Like that. Okay, drop that. Should come. Should come. Where will it go? Let's tap it. Don't want to think something's a bad idea sometimes, like, but you know, we could try and win. There's no reason now why it won't come apart. Come on! there we are. I don't know how long that is, but I'll have a look now when we edit it. Well, only one bit of blood. So there we are. As I strip the engine down to change the kickstart shaft. And that's how long it takes. Okay, I was rushing and I wasn't putting things tidy, but as you can see, it isn't that much of a job. Like, I got oil everywhere and there's screws everywhere, but you know, it's doable. It's quite, I don't know, 5 minutes or something, was it? I'll have to check in the editing how long it actually took. But okay, that's not an issue. So that's our video. That's our video for this evening. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like I say, it's just a video to show stripping it down so that you can change its kickstart shaft. If your kickstart shaft is worn and the splines have come off, or for whatever reason you want to change it, or if they snap, because they do. So that's not how long it takes. If you're going to do it properly. I just did it as a bit of an experiment just to see how long it took, really. But like I say, I hope you liked it. So let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to see specifically. I know there's a guy waiting for me to weigh this flywheel, although he's probably bought another one by now. Because that was a couple of weeks ago, sorry. I will do it. So again, if you like the video, if you haven't already, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to like the video, and it helps me out a lot. So on for the channel, thank you. You know, I mean, you watch YouTube, don't you know how it works? So thank you very much for watching. If you got this far, you obviously enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.